Let's face it, things have changed. With stay-at-home orders, school is from home, work is from home, even socializing is from home. I'm looking at screens all day, and because of that, I'm a little unfocused. To keep my attention, you have to be pretty engaging. And that's why I do my online grocery shopping with Kroger. Kroger has teamed up with My Aisle. My Aisle is a new feature embedded on the Kroger app. Just click the new My Aisle tab to see what it's about. The My Aisle home gives you a quick rundown of what's been going on. Ooh, I need to play my daily game. Today's feature is a hidden object game sponsored by Campbell's. And check it out, I want a coupon. Every day I log into the app and play, the more savings I get. Now let's go to the social tab. Here I can sync up with my friends, share shopping lists for cooking ideas, and even have a little friendly competition with the mini games. Dang, Casey beat my high score in Doritos Crazy Corn Maze. I'll have to rematch him later, but for now, let's check out Jenna's shopping list she just posted. Oh, how cute! A list for her grandma's deviled egg recipe. Save! On the My Carts tab, I can go back and see all the things I've saved and work on my own shopping list. And last is the page all about me. Let's look at my goal list. It's a list of accomplishments that I've gone through using the app and shopping. My newest accomplishment says I'm a veggie hoarder. That's because the last cart I bought was all produce. Now let's see what you can accomplish with My Aisle for Kroger.